Although most of the Russia's self-propelled artillery complexes were developed during the Soviet era, their value remains the same to this day. Among these is the US-5 Giatsint-S, with the ability to hit targets at long ranges and at a higher rate of fire than the more widely produced US-3 Akatsiya 152mm self-propelled gun, and is capable of firing nuclear projectiles. The US-5 was first used in combat by the Soviet Union in Soviet-Afghan War. Later, Russian forces used it in the First and Second Chechen War. The US-5 has been employed by the Ukrainian army in the war in Donbass. Development of the US-5 Giatsint 152mm self-propelled gun began in 1968. It was developed alongside the two A-36 Giatsint-B tow guns of the same caliber. Both guns have similar ballistics and use the same ammunition. The US-5 self-propelled howitzer entered service with the Soviet Army in 1976. Production commenced during the same year and ceased in the early 1990s. Currently, it is in service with Russia, Belarus, and Ukraine. At its core, the US-5 is a 28-ton vehicle utilizing a shadow armor hull superstructure. US-5 has a length of 8.33 meters, a width of 3.25 meters, and a height of 2.76 meters. A typical operating crew is 5, while the vehicle requires coupling with ammunition carriers to supply its projectiles. This increases the human commitment to the system by several additional members. Armor protection is 15mm at the thickness facing. Power is served through a diesel fuel engine of 520 horsepower, which allows for a top road speed of 38 miles per hour and an operational range out to 311 miles. The chassis is fully suspended atop a torsion bar suspension system. The track and wheel system consists of 6 pair rubber tire road wheels to a hull side, with 4 track return rollers used. The drive sprocket is forward and the track idler is rear. The US-5 is fitted with a turretless 152mm L-54 gun. This gun is completed with load assisting system. Maximum rate of fire is 5 to 6 shells per minute. The Giatsint fires standard rocket-assisted high-explosive fragmentation, heat, cluster, and smoke shells. Maximum range of fire with the standard high-explosive fragmentation shell is 28.4 km and up to 33 km with rocket-assisted shell. The US-5 is capable of firing special shells with 0.1 to 2 kiloton nuclear charges. Full ammunition load assisted of 60 shells. However, only 30 shells are carried by the artillery system. Other shells are carried by an escorting resupply truck. It takes 3 minutes to prepare this artillery system for firing. Secondary armament consists of a 7.62mm machine gun. A shadow-launched surface-to-air missile is carried inside the vehicle for protection against helicopters and low-flying aircraft.